To grow leek, you can either purchase seedlings that are ready to transplant or purchase seeds and sow them. If growing from seed, start with sowing under shelter, cover with soil mix and water. Place your seedlings in front of a window or in a warm greenhouse. Thin as soon as they sprout. Thin again several times so that the young leek may grow at their ease. Transplant to the vegetable patch when the white part of the leek is as thick as a pencil. Before transplanting, prepare the spot where the leek will grow. Turn the soil over and amend it with a good deal of compost and soil conditioner. Before planting your young leek, take your scissors and cut the green portion of the shoot back by half and cut roots back by 1/4. This will make it easier for them to start growing back. Dig a deep furrow with a hoe. Make a first hole with your planter, place the leek in it with the leaves perpendicular to the furrow, and then close the hole with your planter. Plant every 2 to 3 inches, with leaves always facing in the same direction. This will make it easier afterwards to clean and weed between the rows, which should be set 12 inches apart. Bring the soil up to where the leaves branch out. Water very often. In order to blanch the leek, it is important to bring soil up against the stem to build up a small mound. Harvest all summer long.